University of Science and Technology Meghalaya scholarship reward kaibache shitodal bidal kurcho Tripura ne student no shebrenai o shebremani kokno tebo shaimana bagai khna eba 27 tarik June Tripura University ni conference holo career opportunity te workshop khlaijaknai okok rokno tini koktuma thumnai rokni panda khai saklaka USTM ni Vice Chancellor Professor GD Sharma tai Registrar AS Barguya joto class 12 pass ni shime kuchuk degree porijak rokno oshep na phanya bagai workshop manjakna ni kuchar khaboro.
Scholarship form is available in our website, that is www.ustm.ac.in. Either they can process all the thing online, means they can process the admission, they can apply for the scholarship online and they can submit in our website, or they can visit our campus. But for UG courses, because we are going to start our classes for UG courses from the first week of July, so the last date to apply for this scholarship and completion of admission is 30 June. But what about the PG programs? For PG programs, we have extended the date till 15 July because the results are not out. So till 15 July, they can apply and they can process their admission. The whole process is online. They can apply for all those things online, or they can come to our campus, visit our campus, and apply, do all those things offline. Thank you.
Any other questions? कोई और questions है आप लोग का?
कौन से एड्रेस में अप्लाई करना होगा, मतलब देखना होगा?
जो हमारा वेबसाइट है www.ustm.ac.in. This is the website. Okay, in that website only they can apply for. They will get the scholarship form where they have to print it out and they can submit the same form in our website. Or if they have any doubt, they can call us. They can call the university toll-free number which is available in the website, and they will get the guidance.
कौन पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं?
Basically, this scholarship is open for all, but we are trying to encourage the candidates who are economically poor or financially weak, but they have the they are the meritorious candidates. For example, if a candidate is having a good percentage in his or her 12, but financially not viable, their parents cannot support for higher education. So we are encouraging those candidates to get this, to apply for this scholarship.
Thank you.
Basically, this is the meaning. The scholarship is called as means scholarship. The students have the merit, but financially not sound. They can apply for this scholarship.
New edition, and they are getting different amount of the sale, and also in food technology. So what we have identified, that education should not remain only to the certificate, but also it should have the application oriented education. With this, we also have two unique features of the university. One is to have the inclusive growth. We have I will do academy. That means we are having those physically Divyanjan, train them and make them employable. Second is, those who clear NET, their total fees is returned. Those who clear NET in second attempt, their half fees is returned. And this is one of the very good achievement, that this time nearly 100 students have cleared NET. Every year this is increasing. That means they are also made qualified for teaching and others. You will be happy to know that this time nearly 132 our B.Ed students, they have cleared the exams of Meghalaya and other things, and therefore they are qualified for any teaching assignment. So looking into all these things, our university has also been selected by number of industries, including Capgemini, then NESCAM, and last time we organized the job fair, and more than 400 students, they got the job. So university is also creating opportunity for the students to excel, as well as to go for higher studies in central universities, IITs, state universities, and also those who cannot carry out higher education, they get the job through these efforts. University is also having nearly 500 scholarships. For Tripura, we have identified this time a very special scholarship program. The 50 free scholarship will be given to the students of Tilpra, those who are very intelligent, forward looking for higher education, and those who cannot afford financially. This facility is given to the students, youths of the Tilpra. Our aim is that nobody should be left behind to have the access to higher education just because of the financial crunch or financial constraint. But if the student is having desire to pursue study as well as how he can perform better, the opportunities are created and are available. We have signed MOU with more than 200 universities, including some of the foreign universities. Seeing all our